Sure.
Hello, good evening.
Um,
How are you today?
Thank you.
Oh, very good. What day is today? What day is today?
It's 14.
What day is today? Today?
It's today.
Today is Wednesday, right?
Oh
Today
no,
is
Sunday.
Sunday. Sorry. Okay, how's your weekend?
Mm, It's now.
Oh,
It's normal. It's normal.
no more? Are
Yeah.
you sure? How's your day today? Mm-hmm. Ka?
It's it's fine. It's
Very good. All right. So we are going to tackle about a new lesson, right? We are done about what? Adrenaline junkies, right? So today we are going to learn about what? Changing jobs, right? Okay. In your own perspective, what do you mean by changing jobs? Changing jobs, yes.
I guess it's a job. Yeah.
Yes. This is a kind, of course, a kind of job, right?
Yes.
Okay, so means what? Mm.
I don't know.
Okay. Changing job means, okay, I will write here. Okay, so changing job means, okay, leaving your current job to start a new one, right? New one, right? Hello?
Yes.
Okay. So when we say changing jobs, means leaving your current job to start a new job, right?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Usually because, okay, usually because of better opportunities, career growth, higher salary, better work environment, or personal reasons. Okay, I will write here. Usually because, okay, usually because of better opportunities, okay, opportunities, career growth, what else? Higher salary, better work environment. Okay, just wait for a minute, okay? Okay. So, okay, better environment and or personal reasons, right? Right? Hello, Ka?
Yes.
Okay, can you hear me well?
Yes.
How about can you see me well?
Yes. It's very
Okay,
well.
very good. So, when we say changing jobs, it means leaving your current job to start a new one or job, right? Usually happens because of better opportunities, career growth, higher salary, better work environment. Yes, of course. Yes, of course. It is important that your environment is not toxic, right?
Yeah.
Right? Hello, Ka.
Yes.
Okay, I can't hear you well. Your your voice is delayed.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Better work environment. So it means it is important that your environment is not toxic, right? Right? Hello? Hello?
Yes.
Okay, I hear you. Or personal reason. So if you want to change your job, there is also a possible personal reasons. Okay, I think the reason is you don't like the environment or your salary is not too high, right? Hello? Or because you find a better opportunities, right? That's why you want to change your job, right?
Yeah.
Yes, did you get it?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So now you are going to answer this one. Are you ready to answer this one? Ka?
Yes.
Okay, so but before that, you are going to know these different jobs here, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, I am going to discuss you the different jobs here. Okay. Number one is
Gardener.
builder.
Garden.
Builder, right? Right? Hello.
No. Gardener.
Okay, so builder means what do you mean by that? What?
Builder is who one is a build or
Oh,
something.
okay, very good. So when we say builder, a person, okay, a person who construct, right? Right? Hello. Or or repairs, right? Repairs building. Okay? Such as hello, can you hear me?
As build
Yeah.
a house or repair the tower.
Okay. Houses, schools, right?
Mm.
Schools, roads, and or okay. Or offices, right? Okay, can you please read for number one here?
Yeah.
Okay. Builder.
A builder or build person who constructs or repair building, school, house, roads and office.
Okay, how about estate agent? What do you mean by that? What is your perspective about estate agent? Okay, by the way, Ka, what is perspective?
I don't know.
Okay, so when we say perspective, it is similar to opinion. Okay? Okay?
Yeah.
Hello? Okay, so when we say perspective, it is similar to opinion. Okay? So by the way, what is estate agent? Means is a person, okay. Are you with me, Ka?
Yes.
Okay, who helps? Okay, who helps people? Okay, buy, sell, or rent houses. Okay, houses, land, or buildings. Okay, okay,
Yes.
all right. Oh, okay. Can you read this one? Can you please read this one? Okay.
An author is a person who helps people set buy, sell, or rent house.
Okay, very good. How about number three? Number three is gardener, right? Can you say gardener?
Gardener.
Okay, can you please spell the word gardener? Spell the
Gardener.
okay, spell the word gardener. G without looking on the screen. Without looking on the screen. Gardener.
Gardener.
Okay, spell the word gardener. G.
Gardener.
Yes, okay. What do you mean by gardener? What is your opinion about gardener? What is that?
Gardener is who is a person who is grow the plant, flower, and take care that.
Okay, very well said. Okay, very good. All right. So, gardener is a person. Is a person who plants, right? Grows. Hello, ka? And takes care a takes care of plant, right? Plants, flowers, and trees, right? Right? Hello.
Yeah.
Okay, can you read this one? Can you please read this one? Gardener.
Gardener is person who plants, grows, and takes care of plants, flowers, and trees.
Yes, very good. How about journalist? Can you spell the word journalist? Okay, spell the
G
word.
O G O U R N A L I S T.
Very good. Can you say it again? J.
J.
J. Yes, very good. Okay, what do you mean by journalist?
Journalist.
Yes.
Journalist mean a person who is explore many places.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so when we say journalist, okay, people. Okay. Okay, people
People
who collect,
who collect,
write,
right?
and report news, right? Yes. For newspaper, TV, radio, or or what? Online media, right?
Yeah.
Okay, can you please read this one?
Mm. A
Okay.
journalist, people who collect, write, and report news for newspaper, TV, radio, and Online.
Yes, online media, right? Okay, what do you mean by locksmith? What do you mean by locksmith? What do you mean by that, Ka? What is your perspective about locksmith? Do you have any idea about this? Okay, so when we say locksmith, Ka, is a person who makes, okay, who makes or fixes or opens, okay, opens locks and keys. So this is the work of locksmith. Okay, hello.
Yes.
Okay, can you read this one? Can you please read this one? Okay, locksmith. Lock again. Locksmith.
Locksmiths
Okay,
who
very
make
good.
fix and open the keys.
Okay, very good. How about photographer? Photographer. What do you mean by that? Photographer. Okay.
A photographer is mean a person who is
Who is takes is a person takes
fix the photo.
yes who takes pictures using a camera, right?
Oh yeah.
Okay, very good. How about pizza delivery man or woman? A person? What is that? Pizza delivery man. Okay, hello? What do you mean by pizza delivery man or woman?
Um,
Okay, a person. Okay, of course, a person who delivers what? Deliver delivers pizza from a restaurant to customers, right? Hello?
yes.
Yes, very good. Customers, homes. All right. Have you experienced um ordering a pizza?
No, I order another things.
Okay. Have you experienced okay, what?
Or the food like
Okay.
bro.
Hmm? Again?
No, 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 no. What?
Again?
Oh no, no, no.
Okay.
No.
All right. So pizza delivery man or woman, a person who delivers pizza from a restaurant or customer's homes, right?
Yes.
So how about police officer? What do you mean by that?
Oh, it's mean a police. A
Yes, a person What? A person who keeps people safe, right?
Yes.
Enforcers, right? Enforcers the law, right? And hello, Ka. Are you still there? Or maintains what? Peace and order, right? Okay. So can you please read this one? Police officer.
Police officer is a person who keeps people safe, enforces the law, and maintains peace and order.
Okay, very good. How about stunt performer? Can you spell the word stunt performer? Performer? Again,
I don't
spell the word performer. Stunt performer.
know.
Okay, I can't hear you well, Ka. What happened there?
Yeah, hello teacher. Hello.
Okay. What I can you please spell the word stunt performer? Can you spell the word? Oh,
S
you're
Stuntperformer.
yes, very good. All right. What do you mean by stunt performer? What do you mean by that? Okay. Do you have some idea about that or not?
No.
Okay, so when we say stunt performer ka, a person, okay? A person who who does dangerous or exciting what? All right. Oh my God, what happening? A person, again, a person who does, okay, who does, who does, oh my God, who does dangerous. I think stunt performer a is like an example of adrenaline junkies, right? Right? Hello, Ka. I can't hear you there.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, actions in movies or TV, TV shows.
Cinema.
Yeah, very good. It's similar, right? Shows. Okay, shows instead. Okay, instead. Okay, instead. All right, here. Instead. Oh, what's happening? What's happening? Okay, instead. Hello, ka. Instead of the main actor, right? Okay, can you please read this one? Can you please read this one?
Officers, a
Okay.
person who does dangerous or exciting action in movies, TV shows, or live shows instead of the main actor.
Okay, so stunt performer, a person who does dangerous or exciting actions in movies, TV shows, or live shows instead of the main actor, right? I think this is an example of adrenaline junkies, right? Right? Hello, Ka. I think your signal is not very good there. How about, hello ka?
Yes.
Okay, how about surfing instructor?
Uh-uh.
Hello? Mhm.
Yes.
Okay, surfing instructor.
Instructor.
Okay, what do you mean by that? In surfing,
Instructor.
surfing instructor. What do you mean by that?
I guess it's surfing the internet.
Okay, of course, a person who teach, right? From the word instructor, of course, a person who teaches others, okay, others, hello, others how to surf on the waves, right? Okay, can you please read this one, Ka? Hello, Ka? Hello? Yes, can you read this one? Can you please read this one?
Surfing instructor, a person who take order the stuff on the wave.
Okay, of course, this is happening or this is what? Hmm?
Is I mean who is develop the video games, I guess.
Okay, what do you mean by video game? Video
It
game developer. What
is
do you
a
mean by that?
game.
Hmm? Okay, of course, a person who creates, right? And hello.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, and design video games for computer, right? Or
Yes.
what? Or mobile devices. Okay, can you please read this one? Video game.
Video games develop a person who is creates and design video games for computer and mobile device.
Okay, very good. All right. So, I think now you can answer the following questions here because I already gave you the opinion about the different jobs here, right?
Yeah.
This is an example of jobs, right?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Are you ready to answer? Okay. Number one. Okay, number one, read.
A flower and plants.
Mm. Okay, can you use for one pen there?
Gardener.
Okay, gardener. I'll be the one to write. Just tell me. Just tell me your answer. What is your answer for number one? It's
Gardener.
okay,
Gardener.
gardener. How about number two? Selling houses. What kind of job that selling houses?
Thing is structure.
Oh,
Oh no. Is oh yeah. It's the eagle. It's the and you. Oh you.
All right, your answer here is state. Okay. Oh, can you please erase that one? Ka? Okay. State agent, right? Okay, how about number three? A water sport. What is your answer for number three? Okay, your answer here is surfing instructor, right? Okay, how about fast foods? Okay, who is? Okay, of course. Pizza, delivery, man, or woman, right? How about cameras? Cameras. Okay, who does cameras? Who does? Yes, of course, photographer, right? How about copying case? Mhm. Copying case. It's
Is mean
it
ah
means it means what?
ah video game developer.
Y- hmm?
Oh no.
Copying case. Okay, very good. It's locksmith. Okay, a person who what? Who makes or opens locks and keys. Okay, how about fighting crime? It's what? What is your answer? Fighting crime. It,
Police officer.
yes, very good. It's police officer, right? How about film and TV? What is your answer? It's Mhm. Are you sure? Film and TVs. Okay, video game. Is that your final answer? Stunt performer? Okay, stunt performer. Okay, your answer here is stunt performer, right? How about the last number here? Your answer is what? Oh, computer and entertainment. It's all about video. Video, game, okay, developer. All right. So I think we have 11 questions here, but we need to check your answer from 1 to 9, okay? All right. Can you please erase that one, Ka? Erase that one. Okay, thank you so much. All right, for number one, what is your answer again? It's
Gardener.
yes, very good. It's gardener. Very good. How about number two, selling houses? It's yes, very good. Your answer is correct again
Yay!
because selling houses, a person, what? A person who helps people, of course.
People buy,
How?
sell, and rent house.
Yes, very good. How about number three? A water sports? It's very good, of course. It's surfing instructor. So if you do a surfing instructor, you are going to play it on the water, right? Hello. Hello, Ka? Can you hear me well? Hello, hello. I think there is problem about your mic. Yeah. Okay. So, let's have number 4. Number 4, your answer here is pizza delivery man or woman. Of course. A man who is deliver the fast food, right? Who delivers all the orders of customers, right? And then the pizza delivery what? Will send the foods to your homes, right?
Yeah.
Yes, very good. How about number 5? It's yes, cameras. It means, of course, it's photographer. How about copying case? Of course, this is
Locksmith.
locksmith. Okay, a person who is what? Who is fixes or opens locks and keys. That is the work of locksmiths, right? Mhm. How about fighting crime? Of course. The only one who do this is
Yes,
the
officer.
police officers. Okay. How about film and TV? It's of course, very good. You get the correct again. It's stunt performer. Okay, number 9 is yes, very good. It's video.
Video game developer.
Yes, very good. Okay, next here. We have number 10. Okay, what is your answer for number 10? It's construction.
It's, is journalist. Journalist.
Constructions? Really? Number
Oh
10?
no,
It's
journalist. Journalist.
number 10, constructions. What is your answer? What is your final answer here? Constructions.
Oh, yes, it is builder.
Okay, builder. Okay, so when I say builder, a person who constructs or repairs buildings such as houses, schools, roads, or offices, right? Okay, so how about number 11? What is your answer? Writing for newspaper. It's hello. It's
Yes.
of course journalist, right? Okay, journalists who who collect, write, and report news for newspaper, TV, radio, or online media. Okay, let's check your number 10 and 11. Are you ready? Are you ready, Ka? Hello?
Yes.
Okay, number 10, your answer here is builder. Of course. So when we say construction, the one who made this one is the builder. Very good. How about writing for newspaper? Okay. It's yes, very good. It's journalist. All right, you got a perfect score. 11 over 11. Very good. Clap your hands, Ka. Clap your hands. Okay, can you open your camera first? Can you please open your camera first, Ka? Can you do that? Can you open your camera? Oh, very good, Ka. I'm so happy today because you got a perfect score. Yay! All right, Ka, can you please take a picture of this? Take a picture. Okay, very good. All right, good job. You did a great job today. So much for this activity. So let's move on to the next one. Are you ready? Are you ready, Ka? Hello.
Yes. Yes.
Mhm,
Yes.
very good. All right. Can you please read the instruction here? Okay, read.
Strict structure.
Yes, strategy again. Strategy again. One more time.
Strategy.
Yes, very good. Continue. Then choose.
Phrases to complete the sentences.
Yes, of course. Choose the correct words and phrases to complete the sentences, right? So now, have you seen it here? Have you seen this one on your screen? Have you seen these words in your screen? Hello?
Yes.
Okay, so here, look at this. Okay, look at the inside of bag. So we have here the two kinds of words, right? Hello? I think you're busy there. Are you busy there?
No.
Okay. So there are two groups of words. So you are going to choose the correct answer. Okay? Okay. All right. Number one, please read first.
Copying the surfing instructor shall gray, but as I see it, not only that, it's quite repetitive.
Okay, what is your answer? Can you please erase?
Yes.
Okay, I'll be the one to encircle. It's too big. All right, here. Okay, go.
Yeah.
Okay, again. Repeat it again.
I will
Um.
analyze.
All right, your answer here is
I
okay.
will.
I'll be the one. How about number two? Okay, being a surfing instructor sounds great, but your answer is as I see it, it's quiet, repetitive, right? Okay, how about number two? What is your answer for number two? Can you please read first? Okay, read. Read it first.
Performers have to do and have a lot of dangerous things. Sure act, feeling of building.
Okay, how about number three? Wow, how about number three? Okay, read.
Photographer often travel around a lot. For example, some of them work in a studio.
Okay, one more time.
Photographer often travel around a lot. For example,
Although,
although it's for example, some of them work in a studio.
yes, very good. What is your answer for number three? It's.
For example,
Mhm. How about number four? How about number four? Okay, please read it first.
gardener are not well paid.
Wait, okay. Wait. Okay, erase. Oh my God. Okay. Please encircle it again. Number one.
This is as I see it.
Okay. How about number two? It's such as, right? How about number three? It's although or for example. What is your answer? Hello? What is your answer for number three? It's what? For example. Okay, how about number four?
Four is in spite of this.
Okay, so let us check your answer. Are you ready, Ka? Okay, for number one, being a surfing instructor sounds great, but as I see it, it's quiet, repetitive. And your answer here is correct. Okay, good job, Ka. How about number two? Stunt performers have to do a lot of dangerous things, such as, yes, very good. All right, number three here. Okay, look at the screen. Okay, look at the screen first. Okay, photographers often travel around a lot. The correct answer here is although. Always remember this one, okay? Although some of them work in a studio, okay? How about number four? Yes, gardeners are not well paid, but in spite of this, many of them love their jobs. Very good, Ka. Okay, let's proceed to number five, six, and all right, and mhm, what's happening? Oh, okay. Oh my God. So let's have number five. Okay, we'll not finish this one. Okay, number five. What is your answer for number five?
Five
It's
is
mm,
inspired it. Oh no, five.
okay. What is your answer? What is your answer? What is your final answer, Ka?
Nevertheless.
mm-hmm. Is that your final answer?
Yeah, I guess.
Really? Are you sure? Are you sure?
Oh yeah, because no, that's because
Ah, okay. How about number six, the last number? Okay, being a builder is hard to work. What is your answer?
however.
However, is that your final answer?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Oh, hello, Ka. I will give you a chance to choose another one. What is your answer?
Mm,
Is it, however, what is more? What is your final
what
answer?
is more?
What is your final answer?
Yes.
It's
What is more?
okay. So let's check your answer here. State agent do badly during recessions and okay, very good. Your answer here is correct. How about number six? Being a builder is hard work. What is more? Yes, very good. Ka, you got the correct answer again. So you got 5. Hello. 5/6. All right, very good. Clap your hands, Ka. Clap your hands. Yes, very good. Okay, Ka, I think it's almost time. So we will continue this one to our next meeting, okay? But let's have a review first, okay?
Yes.
All right, here. What was our lesson for today?
Today we learn a hanging chop.
Okay, today we learn about changing jobs. Very good. Okay, can you give me some?
Example.
Okay, can you give me some jobs?
Journalist. Journalist.
Okay, journalist. What do you mean by journalist?
Journalist is who is
Okay, who
write
is?
on news or
Yes, right. A news. Very good. What else?
is then a year.
Again?
Is then a year.
Okay, estate agent. Okay, what is the job of being estate agent? A
Is the
person.
man who is a person who is sell, buy, or rent the house.
Okay, sell or rent the house, right? Okay, what else? What else? What else? What else? What else? What else? Okay.
Photographer.
What?
Photographer.
Yes, photographer. Okay. What do you mean by photographer? What is the work of photographer? A person?
Who is pick the photo.
Okay, who takes a photo? Yes, very good. What else?
Video game developer.
Okay, video game developer. Okay, what is your opinion about this?
This is who is develop the motorbike develop
Okay,
device
who
or
is develop
mobile
by
mobile device.
okay devices, right? Mhm. What else?
Gardener. Oh yes, gardener.
Okay, gardener. What do you mean by gardener? What is the work
Farmer.
of being a gardener? A person who is plant a flower, right? Okay, so much for today's class, Ka. Thank you so much for your cooperation. See you next time. Bye bye, Ka. Okay, bye bye.